So as you can see, the offset is not cutting accurately. It looks like it's shifted over left a little bit. So I'm gonna get that fixed. So the first thing you need to do is print off a sensor offset adjustment sheet on your printer. And then you're gonna go into your conditions and make sure you have it on your kiss cut condition. So my force is only at 15. And then you're gonna go to pause menu. You're gonna go to arms, number 2. You're gonna hit up, and then you're gonna go to sensor offset adjustment, which is number 1. All right, so then you can see here I've already made adjustments in the past. Maybe we need to remake them because something got jammed or whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and hit scan. And this will allow me to move this over. I think it's somewhere up here. Oh, I'm way over. So I'm gonna show you this actually. So every single one of these is the same. I just printed a bunch. You wanna make it right here, and then it will find it. So let's put it there. And then you're going to hit enter. Just gonna go through and it's gonna cut that black line. And then we're gonna look at it and we're gonna see that it is off, but you can't see that. Let's see, there we go. So you can see that the Y, it's leaning Y plus and it's also leaning X plus. So we gotta bring that down by doing a one, looks like maybe 0.04 X minus X, and then maybe, I don't know, minus Y 0.04 as well. Let's try that. All right, so we know we need to bring it down. We need to bring it down negative X. All right, so X is number 3. I already have it at negative 0.04. So when I click down, it's gonna go to 0.08. We're gonna hit enter, or sorry, escape. And then we're gonna do the same thing for this one because I believe we needed to move this one over, minus Y. Okay, so that was at plus 0.04. So let's bring that down to 0. And then we are going to scan. Same thing. I like to go across bottom. All right, so let's look at this one. All right, so it looks like, that looks all right. It looks like it's in the middle enough, so that's gonna be good enough. And whenever you are done setting your X and your Y, do not hit escape. That will cancel it. I've done that. I'm like, why is this not working? Make sure you hit enter, okay? That will do it. So then you can get out of the menu. Now you're back here. If you just hit the pause menu twice, and let's load the feed in. Let's see if it cuts accurately. So now you should have stickers that cut pretty much perfectly and should be in line. So cool.